Manitowoc 4100 has always been considered by crane owners and operators alike to be the most versatile construction crane ever built. Its ability to be used as a conventional crawler crane, an increased capacity Series 2 machine, and be usable with attachments like the ringer and tower made it indispensable to a variety of lifting projects and endeared it to the hearts of crane users worldwide. Crane operators loved its solid operational feel and overall robustness. Crane owners loved its versatility, structural soundness, and mechanical toughness in hostile environments. The first 4100 was released by Manitowoc in 1969 and has grown in popularity ever since. They were originally equipped with the revolutionary Vicon control system, which utilized torque converters coupled to friction drives. This combination provided unparalleled load control that was unavailable from other manufacturers. Recently, there has been a trend in the crane industry to begin phasing out machines with mechanical and friction control in favor of those with fail-safe hydraulic systems. This mandate will take cranes with years of safe, useful service remaining and make them unavailable for use on construction projects. In response to this, Lampson took the initiative and began to explore the possibility of retrofitting the Manitowoc 4100 with a state-of-the-art hydraulic control package that would meet the wants of today's safety-conscious customer. The result? The Lampson 4100 Millennium. By retaining the best of the original 4100 and adding a new operator-friendly hydraulic control system, Lampson has clearly produced a winning combination.
The Millennium is the perfect way for us to revitalize our crane fleet.
Starting with an originally equipped Manitowoc 4100, the crane is stripped to the rotating bed. Its engines, transmissions, torque converters, friction drives, and ancillary equipment is removed. The existing hydraulic boom hoist is retained, as is the vertical travel shaft. The rotating bed is prepped to receive the new hydraulic planetaries for the hoist drums, the swing system, and the travel drive. The original travel drive components in the car body and at the side frames are retained, including the travel locks and the side frame chain drives. Power is produced by a Cummins QS-M11 Tier 3 diesel engine that meets all required current emission standards for use in even the most stringently regulated locales. This engine produces over 360 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Hydraulic motors attached to it distribute that power to the various drive systems. To drive the hoist drums, Lampson elected to use Comar planetaries, which have an already established track record of success in similar applications. Driving Lampson manufactured hoist drums, they produce 55,000 pounds of single-line pull, an increase of over 70% from the original 4100 values. In addition, the newly designed drums can spool 2,200 feet of inch and 1/8 wire rope, almost 50% more than originally equipped, and they are also able to accept inch and 1/4 wire rope for specialized applications. The rotating bed is modified to accept the hydraulic swing drive with an internal brake which provides smooth, variable swing control as well as adjustable braking and a positive house lock for safety during non-operational periods. The existing hydraulic boom hoist and original band-style boom brake are used to accommodate luffing operations through the use of the new computerized control system utilizing joystick actuators in the operator's cab. The travel system operates by use of a hydraulic motor driving the existing vertical travel shaft, which in turn drives the original horizontal travel shafts that connect to the side frame chain drives. The control system operates the existing travel locks and cutting dogs, allowing for precise maneuverability. Operational control for the Millennium is centralized in an ergonomically designed operator's cab, which allows for increased operator comfort and excellent visibility. Control consoles mounted on both sides of the seated operator contain an array of switches and joysticks that are used in crane operation. Engine and transmission operating parameters are monitored on a computer screen mounted within easy view of the operator's position. This system, operating on an industry-recognized system called ICANN, can be configured to monitor any number of systems based on the individual needs of the operator. It also has settable alarms to prevent damage to components and a diagnostic mode to assist in any troubleshooting that may be required. The operator's cabin is climate controlled with both heating and air conditioning systems to keep the operator comfortable in any season. Electrically actuated windshield wipers maintain complete visibility in the most inclement weather conditions. The seated operator is comfortable in an air ride seat with adjustable suspension for individually set comfort levels. The computerized control system operating on the ICANN platform provides control to the crane. The ICANN system allows for precise control of the hoisting, luffing, swing, and travel modes of operation. The swing mode can be adjusted to the operator's individual preference, or swing torque curves can be increased or decreased if the Millennium is equipped with either the ringer or tower attachments. Also installed within easy reach of the seated operator is an LSI load monitoring system that continuously monitors all operating parameters of the Millennium crane. Structurally and capacity-wise, the Millennium remains unchanged from the original Manitowoc 4100. Machine capacity remains at 230 US tons and utilizes all original counterweights, including those for Series 2 configurations. New load charts have been produced by Lampson, yet closely replicate the original with no loss of capacity in any instance.
It's a fun machine. When we moved it into the yard, it became the popular crane to run. All the guys wanted to spend time in it, and it's a pleasure to run.
Being a company that is sensitive to protecting our environment, Lampson International sees great value in refurbishing this equipment as opposed to scrapping it with useful life remaining. By taking this equipment and retrofitting it with emission-safe power and user-safe control systems, it is kept out of landfills or other permanent waste storage sites. We see this as part of our commitment to help provide the children of the world with clean air and water in the future. The Lampson 4100 Millennium is a unique blend of the best of the old and the best of the new. The robust structural strength of the original 4100 and its versatility have been retained, and combined with emission-sensitive engines, reliable hydraulic power transfer, and fail-safe computerized controls. Nothing was a match for the original Manitowoc 4100, and nothing will be a match for the new Lampson 4100 Millennium. Your favorite crane reborn. Better.
We're very, very proud of what we have accomplished, and we see great opportunity for this crane in the future.